Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. And to get started, all you need to do is power it off, so hold the power key. From here, select power off. And once the device turns off, you will want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do that right now. So once you see the HUAWEI logo, I believe you can let go of the keys though. Guess we'll find out. And there we go. So as you can see, we are now in the recovery mode. Now in here, whatever you want to accept or select, you will simply tap on it as you do normally. So from here we can restart, which takes us back to the operating system. We can clear data, which includes cache wipe and factory reset. We can update the device or boot it into safe mode. So that's basically all we get. And because I want to leave this mode, I'm going to be sticking with restart, which, like I mentioned, gets me back to the operating system. And as you can see, there we are. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.